Hello everyone, my name is Naveen. I'm from Shakti Enterprises. So today I'll show you the compressor for Hyundai Santa Fe. So this car is made by Hyundai and it is named after one of the US cities. So here is the compressor for Santa Fe. I've already opened the box, right? So here you can see the packaging. This is to protect the pulley, right? So you can take a look at this compressor. So this is the upper side. These are the inlets and outlets. This is the coupler, and here you can see the climate control valve, right? And these are the fittings here. Let me show it to you from the other side as well, right? So these are the fittings from the other side. And friends, one good to know information which I would like to share with you. So whenever you buy a new compressor, always try to check over here. So if you see any spots on these places, like these three places, so that means that compressor is refurbished or a used compressor. Because whenever the compressor is fitted, so spots will show at this place. And this is from the other side. Always check these areas here and here. So always check these areas just to make sure that the compressor which you're buying is new and it is unused. Okay, and here is the pulley, and this is the back side of the compressor. So if you would like to buy this compressor for Santa Fe, you can simply contact us. We are Shakti Enterprises. We are located in Delhi and we also have a branch in Dehradun. And friends, we do not offer cash on delivery. So if you would like to place the order, you will have to make a prepayment. And if you are uncomfortable making a prepayment, you can also visit our Delhi office, or you can also contact us in Dehradun. Alright? And maximum time which we take to deliver in the farthest corner of India is approx 5 days, because we are using very good courier partners. So, and also we do a very safe packaging. We use bubble sheet. So there is a company packaging like this, all right? So apart from this, we are also using good packaging material to protect it, just to make sure that it doesn't damage. So if you get any damaged part, so that is our responsibility. So we are doing a good packaging. We are delivering in every corner of India. So friends, if you would like to place the order, you can contact us. You can see the numbers on your screen. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much, friends. Have a good day and happy summers. Bye.